What's good? What's good? What's good? Good evening, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give YouTube a minute. Let them go ahead and kick out the notification that we live.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get this thing on and rocking. Oh man, bruh, what a crazy 2 days it's been, dog.
Yes, it is, man.
Man, I
Crazy.
cannot wait to get into it tonight.
Crazy ain't even the word.
You ain't lying. Volatile is the word.
It's
Shit, we
definitely.
seeing we seeing bear markets in one day. Shout out to
Yep.
oil.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro, man. Like, we ain't got the president to do it, boy.
You said what?
I said we got the president to do it. That's for sure. Like
Man, bro,
he
listen.
definitely will. He definitely will go in history, bro.
Bro, yeah, he is. He definitely is. He is making sure he is going to be in the history books and what his legacy will be for sure. All right. It's we 2 minutes in, so uh we should be getting everybody following in. So with that being said, man, listen, welcome to Late Night Leverage, stock market show where we trade live, we talk about market updates, give analysis, do a little bit of teaching, do a little bit of everything, right? I'm your co-host, one of your co-hosts, Zay. Got my boy Quadree here. Dre will probably be joining us in a minute. Um, and so yeah, man, tonight's show what we're gonna do is we're gonna review our trades that we took. From there, of course, we definitely gonna talk about oil and just everything that's going on in the market. And then we'll talk a little bit about what we see tomorrow and kind of what our analysis is. And yeah, if you guys got any questions or anything like that, feel free to drop them in the chat. Matter of fact, let me know who we got in the chat. You know what I mean? I just seen we got our boy Brian in the building. What's good, Brian? Shout out to Brian. He's a runner. We got Jay in the building. What's good, Jay? We got that's
Yep, Jay.
Gamma King right there. Got the Gamma King. Um, so yeah, it's gonna be a good show. It's gonna be a good show. So, oh, got my boy the Nightway in the building. He say, "What's good? What up, my G?"
Yes,
We
sir.
got Damien in the building. What's good, Damien? So yeah, gonna be a good one, man. With that being said, bro, um, I'm gonna kick it off, bro, with my trade, man.
Let's get it.
I I only took I scalped a little bit, but I really wasn't able to trade. So let me see. What was this? All right, let's back this up a little bit, right? So this is overnight, right? Right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's 6 a.m. My bad. Hold up. Where we at? Where the hell is? Or maybe that is. Hold up, bro. I gotta go to the 1 hour, dog. All right. So this was this morning at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So this was last night, right? So last night we kind of opened up, we sold down, moved up a little bit, sold back down, moved all the way up, and then we started to sell down. So this is where I was able to finally start to get active.
Mm-hmm.
Was around like 6 o'clock. So I caught a little bit of this. I caught this short here, and then I was like, I bet. Now this is where I gotta work on being patient sometimes because I took this trade, and then because I don't really like the whole 6 o'clock hour like that, I'm just not good. I'll be locking my account until like 9:45, so I don't mess around. But dog, this short right here at 7 was so perfect. I was so mad
Bro.
because 7 in the morning, Trump tweeted some BS and we wicked up. And then like immediately after we wicked up, we started rejecting. And I'm like, we about to come back to P12 mid, which exactly we did. I was like, oh
Yeah.
man, I could have been done for the day, done off
Man,
that trade right there.
I'll speak
So
for that.
I missed this one, so I was a little tight. So I was like, I bet I'm gonna have to wait. Then this morning, I saw that we fired. What was I think ES was like short false.
Yep, already.
So then I was like, shit, we about to rally. And and I wasn't looking for longs. So I was like, I'm not really looking for longs. And then pow, 10 o'clock, crazy candle, straight pushed it up. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait. Then the afternoon kind of came a little bit, and then this is where I got my next trade. So let me turn a couple of things on real quick because it played out very nicely. So this is one of our shout out to the pack. So this is one of our different indicators. So this little black line is the 5 EMA right here. So when we got up to this bad boy, I took a short. So I took a short, and as well as my short was to come back into Tuesday range, which you see is this box here. So I took this short, boom, we came back into Tuesday range, took profit again. Then if I go down to the 15-minute, this was the other trade that I took, and then after that, I was pretty much done. Okay, so yeah. So this is when we hit it. We sold down, boom. We popped back up. So check this out, bro. I got into the short right here at 2 o'clock. And I took it down to just under this candle. Because then we started to like toy around a little bit. So I was like, all right, I'm done. Bro, no sooner did I say I'm done, hit the button, lock my account. Whatever tweet happened or whatever happened, this candle just whoop. Just you whoop. And it just kept going. And I was like, bruh, I was so tight. So could have got this entire, 36-point candle and this sale, but I missed all of that. And then at that point, I was like, you know, it's the last hour. I ain't messing around. I'm up to, I think I ended the day positive like 275 or something like that. And I was like, all right, you know what? That's good enough right there. I'll take it, hit the goal. It is what it is, bruh. So yeah, man, that was my day, man. I really locking my account is a good thing, but I be missing some trades, boy. I swear, man. So
It's all good,
yeah,
bro.
man,
It happens, man.
dog. So yeah, that was my day, man. How about you, bro?
Yeah, all right. So, looking at 7 o'clock trade, if I was looking, now I just really just trade the open the first hour and a half and call it a day. But
you be trading the open? You be in before the open, or you?
Oh no! I wait till after. No, I don't trade the open. I let the market do what it do. Let the market do what it do first.
Right.
But like I do trade the first couple. If I see my setup, I gotta see it.
You usually are in by like what 9:45.
Yeah. Let me see. I can tell you exactly what I got in a day. So boom. We swipe the P12 mid here. I'm waiting for this short here. So then literally didn't get the close I wanted.
Mm-hmm.
Waiting. Then we close here. Right?
Yep.
I said, screw it. Let me just see. I want to take out this wick. So even with this entry, it's still 12 points. So this was the I want to take out this low. So I got short here. Took that low out. Yep. Then 10 o'clock came. Usually the last couple of days, for some reason, 10 o'clock come, we get a whole new market.
Yeah. Buy the dip.
So even waiting patiently. Then I'm like, oh snap. I got closed change the state right here. Just take this the second trade I took. I took the longs all the way up into this breaker here, and I was done. But then I'm like, dang, we kept pushing and pushing and pushing. And then we really went up to P12 high.
Yeah, we did.
And then, but pretty much I was done. I had both my accounts ran them up.
Yeah.
And then that was my day. And we want to talk about, but when I got short though, let you know I got short. We had formed this wick here. Yeah, I got actually short. Actually, I traded after 10 today. So I took this short, right? This the 50% of the previous hour.
Got it.
And then we value up. So yeah. But then like we can talk about the rest of the stuff, but I don't know. I've just been shout out to Jay. I've been on the ES, man. You know what I'm saying? Like ES game, man.
Yeah, bro. It's
Like, I
so
don't think I'm gonna
smooth,
go back.
man.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing pretty well, so I ain't gonna switch
it. Sticking with the ES. You back on the ES? My
Yep.
man, that's what I'm talking about.
Yes,
Yo.
sir. I'm not about to be
Like we
stressed.
talk about, bro. It's so. I mean, it's so clean, bro. It's so smooth.
Yeah, it's super clean.
You know, I don't think it's not as volatile as the NQ, right? So you get, I hate to say it this way, but I'm gonna just say it, which is that you got a little bit more room for error, right?
Yeah, because also, bro, at NQ, once you miss that entry, bro, you are really
It's a
ES, bro. I
you
feel like
gambling. You playing with fire.
yeah, ES. I know, like I can catch like that. I can catch it.
Yeah.
You know, NQ once it's going, and at the same time trading. Let me talk about I trade them side by side. But if I see that NQ moving in a certain direction, that's even giving me more confirmation. Then I've been tapping in with the gamma. It makes it even more confluence, bro. So it just, I don't know, man. I just been in my zone, bro. So I did have a losing day Friday, got all that back, paying more yesterday.
Yes, you did. Had a great day yesterday.
So this guy stay consistent, man.
Yeah. No, that's what's up, man. Good. Yeah, I'm glad to see you back, bro. Glad to see you back, man. So yeah, and that's for me, and I've always said that's the reason why I like the ES because it's smooth. Some people might say, oh, it moves slow, but at the same time, depending on what you trade, and if you got size, you don't need a lot anyway.
That ass going heavy,
like you don't, what I mean? You don't need a lot anyway. You shit. So, whatever floats your boat. So, yeah, man. So, those were our trades of the day. So cool. Next up, bruh. Let's clap it up for the late night leverage crew on that call of oil to 100.
What's 100, bro?
I can't remember. It was either I forgot what episode it was, but it was right. It was when Venezuela was happening.
Yeah, that was like early January, bro. We caught that.
Yeah, and Dre got the video, so he probably
can tell you exactly what episode it was.
Yeah. But yeah, like Dre was, Dre talked about it, and then last week or the week before last, when it popped off, we kind of looked at it again. We looked at the 3-month chart and all of that, and so I do want to pull up oil real quick and just take a look at that, because at the same time it did it did what we wanted, but boy, it did more than we wanted, and then it just did a lot more. Let's put it that way. It did a lot more to the upside, and it did a lot more to the downside. So here we are. I'm gonna put this on a daily. So yeah, last week we talked about oil running up, and as you can see, last week it managed to get all the way up to about 91, 92. And so over the weekend, I'm like, damn, Dre, we really finna get to 100, bro. Like, we really gonna get to 100. The thing is, now I did not think, now come Monday, right, when Fuse Sunday market open, not only did we get 100, we opened at 97, we got up, and we got to 100 quick. But not only did we get to 100, y'all, we took out so much liquidity to the upside. So I gotta put this, I gotta scale back a little bit so y'all can see the amount of liquidity we took out. So not only did we take out the 22 high, we managed to take out the 2018 high, and then we managed to go to the 2015 high, and at its peak, oil hit 119.48, damn near 120. I think when we was looking at it overnight, we was like, yo, oil was up like 30%
It's like 36%.
alone.
Yeah.
That shit was up like 30% Sunday night. Now, mind you, at the same time, we kind of was like, yeah, this is a bit excessive because if you took into account the week prior, so from the start of the war, the gap up all the way to that high, oil ran 77% in a matter of like 2 weeks. You knew that they was going to do something about that. Like there was no way they was going to let that rock.
Bro, and that's the thing, bro. When you talk about experience, it's like we kind of seen this before, right? Like we know when we get them, especially massive moves like that, bro, that soon, and then whoever had that short boy,
he mad. He mad. So Dre posted this. So there was some trader who went short like a triple leverage oil ETF. And the data said his liquidation was what, like 119.20 or some shit like that. Bruh. We had literally, he got liquidated by maybe 25 cents or something. Like it was like they literally liquidated whoever this trader was, and then that sucker turned all the way around, bruh. Now, hopefully this guy moved his stock, but I don't think he did. But if I was him, I'd be pissed because that would have been that was crazy. But yeah, so oil managed to go all the way up to 118 at the same time. Nasty intraday reversal. Just nasty. So from that high, we ended up basically selling all percent to down. So basically from that high all the way to the low 30. That's like a fucking 50% swing in a day, yo. That's ridiculous,
bro.
That's crazy.
Move.
Then today we saw even more volatility.
Mm-hmm.
You said what?
That was a massive move, bro.
No, I was just saying. Then today we just saw, even today, right? If you think about today's intraday volatility from the high to the low was 16%. Like the moves in oil are just nuts, just absolutely nuts. So, but I say all that to say, for a long time before all this even popped off, if you are an avid watcher of the show, we've been saying from the beginning of the year, oil was the one to watch. Again, once we talked about, once it got over 66, that was the launching pad. If you know the old saying, you buy at 65, you sell at 80, yada yada yada. So all of that, we was on it. So I definitely want to clap it up for us for bringing that to attention. And then the second thing I do want to talk about with this oil run was the lack of follow through from energy stocks. I think that was another signal. I want to put that out there to people who watch that. That was another signal that something was off for me. Right? Again, we've been big proponents of energy stocks. We've been talking about energy all year on the show. And when oil ran up 70 some odd percent and the energy stocks barely moved, I was like, yo, this ain't right. The math ain't mathing, bro. Math ain't mathing, bro. How we not even get a little bit? So yeah, clearly there was some heavy manipulation. But go ahead, bro. My bad.
I'll just say this, like, shout out to us also on exiting, bro.
You said on exiting?
Yeah, because we, we ain't submitted. We seen that thing, did that, got right out.
We was out.
We was high alert, and then the thing is, we pivot ourselves really well. We got in pretty early, so we still up 100%. Because I got in and out of oil a few times for 100.
Right. Right. Shit. I played, man. Listen, I played XOM this year. I played Chevron this year. I played EOG this year. I
Yep.
played COP this year, XLE.
Yep. All profits. So
So I'm yeah, like energy did their thing. This was like I was just thinking this gonna be the cherry on top, but you know, like you said, we was already positioned. So the fact that the energy companies didn't do anything, that was a signal to us. You know what? Let's take our money, get the hell up out of here. Let's pivot. And good thing we did because as soon as we did that, oil fucking tanked. Energy stocks. Now I will say energy stocks did not tank as bad.
They think it's bad, but they sure went red though.
Yeah, they did go red though.
They want to go red.
Did go red.
Come on, bro. You could get
go red.
bro. You know what I'm saying? But
so, all right, so that is energy, right? I wanted to talk about energy. We got 8 minutes till 8 o'clock. Once we get to about 8, I'm gonna start looking to see if I can catch a trade or something.
Yep.
The last thing on the topics that I wanted us to kind of just get to would be tomorrow, which is CPI. Tomorrow, February CPI data will come out. And the big thing about this is that this data will not have the energy spike in it, right? And so from what I've read, the big thing will be if it's an upside surprise, the market ain't going to like it because then they're going to start looking forward to the next number, which will low-key have this oil spike, and they will talk about how inflation might likely go up. That's going to definitely deter the Fed from cutting rates. That's also going to, stir a little bit of stagflation because of those really bad job numbers, right? So growth is stagnant, job numbers came down really bad, and then you got inflation going up. That's the hallmarks of a economy that's entering stagflation, and that is the worst environment for equities. So if that is the case, be prepared, right? Not trying to predict nothing, but being prepared. Be prepared for that narrative from the financial media and all those folks, right? If inflation numbers go up a little bit, and they start talking about how inflation is going up, they are going to run with that stagflation narrative really, really, really quick.
Yep.
Then Friday we got PCE for January and preliminary GDP. But I think the big thing is just going to be tomorrow when we see what these CPI numbers going to do, right? And what's that's the case for the Fed. Granted, I don't even think the Fed gonna cut next week anyway.
What is this? Man, I've been so focused on oil, I forgot they even about rates.
Right. So the Fed they meeting next week Wednesday. I don't think they're gonna cut rates. I think the market isn't even pricing in a rate cut.
That's 100%. 9.4% the same.
Yeah, so it's really just gonna be the messaging.
Yeah.
What are they gonna say? How what are their thoughts about the potential oil spike and the energy prices? Are they gonna look through that? That's gonna be the main thing. Are they gonna look through that? I think that's gonna be the main question that people are going to hear from Jay Powell. The fact that they're not talking about potentially raising rates, they're gonna want to hear him take that off the table, all that shit. So it'll be interesting, but yeah, let's get through this CPI number. Let's see what CPI looks like and, what the market reaction is, and we'll go from there. Yeah. You got anything, bro? I'm about to change my chart real quick.
Yeah, I mean, I guess when the new dude start? The new guy he pointed.
May, I think.
I didn't really see a big reaction when he got named. I guess it's priced in.
Yeah, that definitely is. Or I won't say it definitely is. I would say, yeah, like you said, it wasn't much of a reaction.
Mm-hmm.
It just be so much stuff going on, bro. He always, got multiple headlines, man. So it'd be hard for the market to pick one thing and stick to it.
Yeah, I don't.
we
Like I
pushing.
said,
God. All right, let's see what we got here. Finna hit 8 o'clock.
people better be moving their head on the swivel. Tell you that.
Huh?
Better have your head on the swivel when it come to especially
Tomorrow.
yesterday. That BS that happened at like 3:15, 3:18. We
Oh, that
spiked.
Trump pump. That Trump pump.
That was wild, bro.
Just because that man tweeted the war might be over soon.
Yeah. Pew.
That's crazy, bro. That's another thing, man. The market is so jumpy off of soon and maybes.
Well, that's
I
why
hate that.
when they said
God damn, we are pumping. Jeez Louise.
see.
This 15-minute candle, god damn. We bounced
Oh,
off Asia OU and just pew.
and just like they had just
Oh shit, we just went long.
today when the dude tweeted about the vessel going through the strait, that's what dropped oil $5 in like 10 minutes.
Right. And then he deleted the tweet.
Yeah,
And then the oil went back up 9%.
yeah, like
Bro, they playing games, man. Jay said he 10-minute game. I'm thinking he definitely went long. He probably caught this goddamn on candle, no lie. That was a nice 9-pointer. He said inflation gonna hit 10%. Oh Lord, boy, we hit 10%. They raising rates like a mug, boy. Shit.
Oh, but they were saying like the bond market ain't responded to nothing yet. So
yeah, that's true too. True too. Huh. Bro, we are God, dog. What happened? What was I don't want to think everything is news, but god dang, what was this 15-minute candle for? What did something happen at 9:45? Or I mean 7:45? We got news or something?
at 750 was Japan PPI.
Oh, all right. That makes sense. Because sheesh. So I will say, bro, I did catch. I ain't gonna front. I did catch a little bit of this short before we got on the show. As soon as we opened up, I was like, "Yeah, I'm going short." And then we bounced back up. Here's what I will say. This is what I would like to see. If I'm looking at this from a 12-hour perspective, I kind of low key would like to see them rally it all night. Then once we get to 6 a.m., maybe push it up a little bit higher. And then ultimately when CPI come out, we get a nice dump. Here's one of the things. I don't know if anybody in the chat knows about the VIX rule, but would you say today qualifies as like the VIX rule being satisfied? Because Monday, the VIX was down more than 10%. So within the next 2 trading days, you typically are supposed, you will see the opposite day. So Monday was a green day. You will see a red day between Tuesday and Wednesday. Technically, the day was a red day. Yeah. It was just flat. And the VIX, I think it finished the day like down 2 or 3% or something like that. I don't know. That's where like days like today make it sticky for me because I'm like, it's the day before some major news. Side note, it's 8 o'clock too, bro. Mm-hmm. But like I was saying, it's the day before major news, and it's kind of like, are they gonna qualify this as the red day or no? Who knows? All right, let's see. Can we keep pushing? I think we are gonna keep pushing, bro. Only thing is, man, it's hard for me to go long because we at the top of the range, bro.
Mm-hmm.
We're at the top of the range. It's gonna be hard for me to go long. Hmm. Let's see. Did we take out that 1 hour? We did not. So this is. I want to see how the ES reacts when it gets to 6801.25. Oh, there go Dre.
Hey yo, they just
Oh, my boy. What's
yo,
good, my boy?
Go, my guys. See,
yo, these
What's
dudes,
good,
yo,
man?
we just backed out of that Max Crosby trade, bro.
What?
what? What happened?
Y'all not doing it no more?
We backed out of it. Yep.
Why y'all back out?
Oh shit!
The Raiders said they not telling. They said they won't have no further comment this time,
What?
Damn,
bro.
Well,
We didn't.
you know who happy about that?
it's the
Jamar
Patriots.
Chase.
Or Jamar Chase, yeah.
Did you see his reaction?
Yes, I did.
Yo, that dude was high. He was like, "Yo, how the we let that happen?"
Bro, but we lost everybody to the Giants, bro.
Who went to the Giants?
Everybody.
Everybody.
Likely.
Yeah.
Damn.
Our
They
punter.
follow on Harbaugh.
Yeah. Our safety.
Damn. What's good, Dre? How was your trading day, bro? Walk us through your trade. Now, oh damn, you in a trade?
Oh yeah,
You
we
long?
long, baby. Yeah.
Oh, my boy, long. Okay.
Yes, sir. Hey, today, shit. Today was funny time.
Won't it?
Yeah. Um. Today I was. What I did today? Let me see if I remember. Today I went short. Yeah, I went short. At this time right here, 9:30.
Uh-huh.
But we didn't. I didn't get no follow through, and I got stopped out right here on 10 o'clock on profit. I'm on my stop in profit because I got short out of P12 mid,
Uh-huh.
and then I saw this happen because we were in short false.
Yeah. Yep. We just said that. Yep.
Yeah, we were in short false, so I'm like, okay,
I mean,
let's go.
boy did we run.
Yeah, we said no, it's not happening today. We're gonna save it for tomorrow. You're gonna save it for tomorrow.
Facts.
And yeah, that's what they did. They came in. Something came out at 10 o'clock. I forgot what it was. Some news, home sales, some
Uh
shit, some light shit.
okay,
I
okay,
guess
yeah.
that.
I
I
don't
guess that's
yeah.
what. I guess that was the excuse for this pump. For home sales, I believe it was. Not sure though, but we held the daily open. Globe is open. We didn't even hit the midnight price. We came close by like we
Mm-hmm.
missed it by like a tick,
Mm.
and then we were pushing up. 10 o'clock came. Whoop, created Tuesday range, which we did right here. We can carry this range right here, Tuesday range.
Yep.
Got out, keep pushing, hit the monthly 50. We held, got close to the 1%, but not quite. I don't know what happened here. At 2 o'clock, this shit just said whoop.
That was where like they started so I can say what happened at 2 o'clock. So it was a couple things. The secretary deleted the tweet, and
Mm.
then news came out Iran was going to start putting landmines in the Strait of Hermes. I'd be
Mhm.
pronouncing it wrong. And so yeah, it just caused a little bit of ruckus, you know. But again,
Yeah.
that's all the excuse because from an ES perspective, bro, we hit the 5 EMA to the T. And then as soon as we hit that joint, whoop, bring it back.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So you know, they price first and then they gonna, we find the excuse later.
Yeah. So I got short, stop out, got long, and then my profit was P12 high. P12 high was my profit. Then after that, I said no more. I'm gonna take a chill. Yeah, because we were like balanced. We didn't move like that. After yesterday, we just we moved, a little bit, not like not like this. This shit was psycho.
Bro,
Goddamn.
that right there though, you got like, bro, what's that intra week move right there from that low all the way up to the high? Mind you, the cash session never tested those lows.
No.
So, but what's that move all the way from that low to the high?
From the low to the high is this high right here?
No, the high. Yeah, the high. Yeah.
That's 124 points.
No way. That's got to be way more than that, bro. From that low?
1,000. My fault.
Oh,
I got messed up right here. I got messed up. My bad. It's like 1,000 something points.
Like what?
1,000, 1,000, 204 points.
That is insane. What's that percentage?
4.5%.
That's crazy.
5%.
That's a lot, bro. That was basically a 5% recovery from the gap down Sunday night.
Yeah.
To push it all the way back up.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Talk about buy the dip.
Yeah. Especially we took previous monthly low and quarterly low.
And quarterly low. I was about to say, shout out to you. We took that quarterly low and that thing turned around.
Yeah, we took it right here. Yep.
And that was a good ass long, bro. God dang.
You're skyrocketing.
Yeah, we took this.
Oh my God. What is going on?
We're pushing, baby. See.
Bro, it's gotta be some news.
I figure we're gonna push it up. Simple.
I want them. You said what?
I want them to hit this 1% to the upside before anything else.
Oh, you want them
we have
push it.
Yeah, I want us to take yesterday high. And yeah, let's see what happens after that. So I want us to go here, get everybody excited. We're pushing it. War is over. Yeah. And CPI say, hold my beer, son. Yeah. I'm ready for some headlight tomorrow, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Golly, that was a nice little push right there.
Yeah.
Oh, we got our boy Larry in the building. What's good, Larry?
Larry.
He said 6780 SPX has some hedge in there. 6780. 6780. Was that the low we? Oh, okay. We hit the low. The low we hit this morning was 6776. So I got you, Jay. And we gave that pump back though. God damn. At least on the ES.
Yeah.
But that's all right. That's what I was looking for. I wanted them to push it up a little bit. I don't want them to push up that much. Dre talking about you going ham,
He
bro.
want, he want, he want.
I need today to be the high. I need today to be the high of the week. Or yeah, to Tuesday. What's good, Larry? That was the that was he said that was okay. That was the bounce. Is that it, Jay? You think that's it? I hope that's it. Then again, I mean, like I said, I want them to kind of just push it up a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. He said, chilling, staying productive. That's what it is, my brother. That's what it is, my brother. That damn 8 o'clock, boy. I'm telling you, soon as 8 o'clock hit, that first 15. All right, hold up. Let me got that going. All right, let me see what I can get here, man.
I'll be right back, bro.
Okay.
You heard? I'll be right back.
Yeah, we heard you. I got you. Yeah, I ain't really trying to force nothing tonight.
Man, yeah, bro, I'm chill. I don't know what I ain't really see an entry for me to get in.
I took a paper trade and I placed the entry right at the 6 o'clock open. It did fill me, and then that push was crazy. So had I took that live, that was like 575. I ain't know it was about to pump like that though.
Yeah.
Waiting for the market to take back some of that 1K point day. Yeah, me and you both, Larry. Shit, that was crazy, right? Jay said, "Yep, can fizzle out here a little bit." Okay.
Well, I could have taken the trade at 7:45.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like at 7:45, that joint just started going crazy.
Damn, bro. That's ES. Good shit.
Yeah, this is the ES right here. The ES is not playing. I think we fired long too. Or actually, ain't no. I know we
did. Yeah. Yeah, I think we got a clear yesterday high.
We
get above.
Yep, we got the prior day mid.
Yeah, casino getting clean yesterday high.
My boy said Larry's sitting on 40 points on this bull move right now. Still holding 2 minis. All right, so y'all still long. Yeah, I think we still. Dre, you still long too?
I took profit.
You're okay. When that pump.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Man, another thing too is for me, we inside of Tuesday's range, and what I've learned is I don't like trading in the middle of that range. I either need it to be above it or below it. But when it's inside, dog, anything can go.
Yeah, we above NFP mid. So yesterday we came test overnight the 50.
We are. Yes.
Now we close above the 50. So that's at 12 we got out a little bit this morning. Got back in. Now we open right here. We test what's this level right here? This is the 75% of that range, of the NFP range. He came, wick out, body close above. We pushing now. I think we can get a new high, get this higher day from yesterday. Now we above the open 6 p.m. open. As long as 6 p.m. 1800 open, we should be in line with the getting previous day high. unless your boy says some dumb shit, and then and then boom, yeah. So then we got CPI in the morning, and the fun begins. See,
I don't know if you get that big of an overnight run. I don't know if CPI is it's going to be a really freaking high CPI to have that big of a reversal. I don't see CPI being that bad to cause that bad of a reversal.
it's. I mean, a lot of people talking about inflation is going to surprise. So maybe that's last week we got surprise data on NFP. That was
Yeah, that is true.
really
I
bad
mean,
number. Really bad number.
yeah,
So
that's true.
market not ready for no surprise.
Hell no, because it doesn't include this recent energy spike. So if it is a upside surprise, boy, they gonna go crazy thinking about the next number when they do have energy up.
Yeah, exactly. So we shall see though. Like I don't got Let's see what happens.
Yeah, we moving now though, so it is what it is.
Yeah. Also, another thing is that we at these weekly EMA highs, MFE highs. So that's another thing is like we going
How high
crazy,
can we go?
right? Some point we're gonna return to the mean.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Larry says CPI going to run the opposite of whatever it does overnight. Okay, so if we run up, then you thinking it's going he said this market.
It.
No, he said this market drunk.
Yeah, I'm with you, bro. Yeah, it's market on some other shit.
Yeah, this market, yeah.
Shout out to oil though. What's up? Y'all talking about oil? See?
Yeah, we looked at it and talked about the good call that we made, and then we also talked about how that thing turned around a mile a minute.
Yeah. He cleared my boy out. My boy got short some $1 million. Oh my god. That boy
Bro,
got
I really hope dude moved his stop just a little bit.
I don't know.
Because to get liquidated by like a quarter, I would be hot, bro.
By a tick, bro. 1 tick.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, he got liquidated. We got 1948. His stop was 19.30. Yeah.
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 Yeah, bro.
That's tough.
Yeah, that's nasty work, son.
Yeah, man.
Let's see. We have some heavy resistance, though, bro.
Yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Retest Wednesday. Yeah, man. I'm ready, bro.
But retest Wednesday ain't been retest Wednesday as of lately, man.
That's good. The less they happen, the better we're gonna do it. We're gonna go back to regular program. So if you miss a thing,
I think the past 2 or 3 Wednesdays we didn't have it. Now you might get a reversal Thursday. But we definitely didn't get our normal retest Wednesdays. But what you gonna say, bro?
That when I think that happened a lot, doesn't do it for like 2-3 days, 3 times, then eventually you're gonna get back on programming. So
go back to programming. Okay.
The most consecutive that doesn't happen, that's good. Because when
then we go back to the mean.
Yeah. You all over that trade.
Right.
Yeah, and you don't be surprised. You're like, hell yeah, let's go.
Right.
Mhm.
Give me my get back, sucker.
Yeah.
Larry said, just took my coins. You got stopped out or you exited?
Nice, let's see. And a Tuesday highs right here. Yep. Hey.
Yeah, my bad. I was just sitting here reading why what happened.
Well,
How
what
what?
happened?
Nah, I'm talking about the trade. That's what I was doing.
The liquidation joint?
Nah, I'm talking about Crosby and my team, bro.
Oh, what happened? What did they say?
He ain't passed the physical. He was in Baltimore last week. He ain't passed the physical, bro.
Oh, damn. Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
What you know why yo Matt, he be smoking hella weed. I don't know if that's why he ain't
Yeah.
passed. Yeah.
Nah. They said he had some surgery on his meniscus, and apparently that joint's still off the bone.
Oh shit.
They try to give us damaged goods. They try to finesse.
Damn.
He only 28 though.
This ain't. We gave up 2 first though, bro.
Oh yeah, never mind.
He 20. They saying he 29 now. So yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Jay said I got stopped out, trail stop. Okay. Don't like the way the price acting up here. We said we at a resistance level, man.
Yeah,
So
we almost took out the high on it. Yes, and we're at
High what?
3 o'clock high
Mm.
at 68.12. Them nigga the NQ. We took out the NQ 3 o'clock high too.
Yeah, man.
yep, that's exactly what I was looking at too. Quadree was if we was gonna get that 3 o'clock high. We got on the ES. We was a tick shy. It's
Yeah,
68.13. We got up to 12.75.
Yep.
I think we're gonna get it though.
Yeah, it probably pop up, spike up, and then come down on you.
Yeah.
There you go.
See, my thing is, man, when I look at, I'll pull my chart up. I still every now and then use my EMAs, and on all time frames, we approaching a lot of resistance. Like even today, so from a 12-hour perspective, the ES it punched through the 20. First of all, they're going negative. So the 20 crossed the 50 up here. Now you got the 20 crossing the 200, and the 50 is damn near crossing the 200 here. So today, when we rallied up, we managed to get up to the 200 on the 12-hour, and then it rejected and it closed under the 20. So here we are looking like we're gonna probably maybe try to make another push to the 20. But the point is the 20 to 250, they all right here, and that's all saying from an ES perspective, maybe we get back up to like 68, 63, which I mean it would give you your it would take out yesterday's or Tuesday's high. But then I go look at like say a 4-hour time frame, and again here's the 20, this the 50. We tested the 20, we at the 50 now. The 1 hour, I think the 1 hour is pretty dynamic too, because on the 1 hour we're right on the 200 trying to get above here. I think for the NQ, what did 12-hour look like? Yeah, see, same thing. The NQ, the 12-hour, we got to the 200 and rejected. It might be able to push up to that previous month 50%, get there again. The 4-hour, right? coming in on the 200 again. So I don't know if we really gonna run, but so much more overnight, yo. That might be it.
Maybe it.
Maybe go up a little. I
And
mean,
then I'm looking at a breaker too. A bearish breaker too.
and then like you said, Dre, we at the top of the weekly MAE, MFE. We right at the 5 EMA. Like, yeah, unless Trump tweets some wild shit and really pump the market up overnight. I don't know how much higher can it, we'll see how much higher it can go, I guess.
Yeah.
At least
I
on the
want
ES,
to take that hype.
Yeah, we approaching what I will say this. I knew when we had that new month opening gap, bro, because we had a new month opening gap on the ES. I said, yo, this shit gonna be a bitch.
Facts.
Like all last week, if you look at all last week, here's Monday. We traded perfectly. So this the new, like I got it labeled. This is where we closed on February. We gapped down and open here on March. On the first day, we wicked down, traded right through it. Tuesday, traded right through it. Wednesday, back through it. Friday, Thursday, back through it. Friday, we got to about halfway, wicked it, came out of it. Then here you go. This is Monday, tested the 200, pushed back up. Today, we got back into the new month opening gap, rejected, and probably overnight, we most likely about to go back into it, and then we'll see what happens with CPI. But that new month opening gap, that shit was going to be a magnet, yo. And then I was telling Quadree this too when me and him was chatting. Dog, the way this weekly candle look, that's going to be some, like, if this got rejected and was to close, come back, that shit would look nasty. That would be a nasty wick. You'd have a gap here, another gap here with a big long wick. That would be some ugly. Whoa, God, that would be ugly.
Yeah.
that would be nasty work. That would be, yeah. And then Bitcoin rallying, Dre. What you think about that? We back at 70K, bro.
Lower high. That's just a lower high, bro. It's a lower high, bro. That shit not going nowhere, my God.
The bottom is in, Dre.
Fuck out. Yeah, no, it's not in, bro. It's not.
You're not trying to
do not believe this gurus online, man. Shit not done, bro.
Oh my God.
Another lower high on Bitcoin.
Oh man.
Yeah, bro.
Larry said that's a tease.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Oh man, I'm weak, yo.
That shit below yearly open. Nah, man. Cut it out.
not translate that.
Oh, we got Father Legends. He said, damn, that rarely happens. His NQ and his gold. Man, you went long NQ and gold.
Bold.
Yeah, my boy, long. Let's go. Gold? I haven't seen gold in a minute.
It ain't. I mean, once they limited it, it ain't really.
Yeah.
You know, it moved back to how it used to move now. For real.
Oh yeah, it's slow.
Yeah, I mean, it give you good movement. Don't get me wrong, but it ain't like how it was when it was just right. Yeah. It wasn't how it was when they had you hooked for a little while.
Hell yeah, bro. I forgot what NQ looked like, bro. Like shit.
Right. Dre was a gold trader.
Hell yeah, man. See. Yeah.
But no, it moves pretty like it's like back to normal for real.
Man.
All right, let me go look at some. I know we fired wrong. So when's the false time? If Asia was supposed to go false.
Well, yo, Quadree, you check the new the new thing, the update.
My joint don't be even working sometimes, bro.
For real? How come?
Now go there.
You got Mac, right? Because what I do, I use a private site, like a private site.
Private web, private like a private browser.
It don't work on
Yeah.
my phone.
So when I do a private browser, it's clean. There's no glitch, none of that.
Because let me try it that way. I
All
don't be
right,
knowing
so
that sort of stuff.
if we go false, it's usually around 9:45 or
Yeah,
9.
yeah, man. Stop playing with Baker, man. Nah, man.
What
Oh
happened?
man.
He said, I've been messing with them gold niggas. Yeah, volatility dried up. That's why I could trade the big boy in Asia. Yeah, volatility is definitely dried up when it comes to gold.
Oh yeah,
Just
you're right. It do work, Dre, on the private joint.
It worked.
Yeah.
what's
There you
good, my
go.
guy?
So now, yo, Quadree, the new, bro,
Bro, that shit got so much more info on that
that
shit.
shit give you the probability for a range one,
Yeah.
DWP, DAP,
Yep.
range two, bro.
Yep.
And today that shit said green day, 65 or 35%. So I'm like, okay. That's why I got back with the program. I was selling. You know me. I'm selling the rip, bro. But when that shit got back above P12 mid, I'm like, chill. All right. It's gonna do me like last week. Let me chill out. Let me take my loan, and I get you tomorrow. I'm ready for tomorrow, bro. Oh my
I did,
god.
honestly, Dre, I did the same thing, bro. When I saw that, I was like, you know what? And then when I seen this go short false, I said, well, let me stand out the way.
Yep.
Because I was like, and then you know what? And then also shout out to my chat GPT.
Oh my
Because
god.
my chat
Yeah.
GPT told me it was like, listen, if you open at, between 6780 and 6800, and it keep going up, it's gonna likely go for the 6840. That's why. And then I saw that, I said, well, shit, 6840, that's where the 5 EMA at. I got too much confluence. Let me just sit here and wait.
Yeah.
Sit here and wait. As soon as that joint got there, I clicked the short button.
So speaking of ChatGPT, all right. So I've been talking to my lady, ChatGPT. Shout out to her. She on point, bro. She on point. She on point now.
Mhm.
I don't know what it is, but that shit got better for me. Shit's this shit smart as hell now.
If you use it right, yeah.
Yeah, that shit smart as hell now, bro. What? Oh my god. Anyways, so that joint told me, right? After I pulled, but I got my whole entire system in it. I have my whole how I trade, right? She knows how I trade, what I like, what I don't like, everything. Daily profiler, P12, all that good stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
This line right here, 25.050, she said this morning, if we close above, like we start closing above it, then it's straight shot to 250, which is right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's just amount of the speed that it closed. If it start dancing, like dancing and dancing, and then lose it, then we're gonna go. You see this line right here, 892. If we lose that level, it was gonna go straight through to 650 right here,
Mm-hmm.
620. So that's what I was waiting. So I had
Mm-hmm.
this line mark. Once we cross, P12 mid was around here somewhere. We got close. We try here, close, and the next candle. Whoop. Let me go to our lower time frame so you can see it better. Right here. We came 9:30 right here. 9:30 we came. That line is right here. Let me put it back so you can see. That line was 20.
Larry is short at 25,053.
Oh, Larry playing games. Larry. Okay, Larry. I see you. So that line, you see that
Funny you
line
say
right
that,
here?
'cause I was damn sure looking to take a short myself.
9:30 came. We closed above, below. I'm like, I bet. But then we couldn't close below this line. You see it, 24 8 or 892. So we wicked three times. So we got like a double bottom right here on this time frame. We came
Mhm.
up right here, and then once I saw this, I'm like, yep, no short for me no more. Get with the program, and then
Get with
boom,
the program.
yep, hell yeah, yep. Ooh. For Marlon, yeah, yes, sir.
I feel like
Larry Short.
yeah,
Okay.
I feel like they trying to play us though, Larry. I'm a plus I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock. I got a better chance of that's when the false might come through. So I'm gonna be
Yeah.
patient.
That I woke up late for London today, boy. God, shit. But it was whack though.
It wasn't none.
It was whack. Uh, now that the time
Yes.
changed, I might give you a little bit more time to adjust. Probably next week that shit start going
Yeah,
crazy.
give it like another week. Hmm.
Yep.
Uh you say you short at 53, Larry? I see it now. Oh, there we go. And Pride Day mid is at 23.
Yeah, I'm waiting for closure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, uh, yes, sir.
Let's,
Yeah.
let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There you go. Oh, it's trying. Man, all these dude goddamn tweets, man. This shit got me like paranoid. Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Oh damn, Larry, you traded 200 tick chart, 200 to 4,000 tick chart. Eesh. You're a pro, my guy. We need you up here on the show, man. I don't know none of that shit.
I don't know what that is. What's that?
That's that tick chart shit. Uh
I ain't never heard of that. I'm trained from that long. Let's see.
tick chart is like the second chart. Like let's say like you want a 10-second chart. I don't even think I
Oh,
got
he
that.
goes to. Oh, he used those type of. Oh,
He used this shit. You see this tick chart.
I ain't never used
Look,
that in my life.
you want to see it? Look at it. I'm gonna put the 1,000 tick chart. That shit's on steroids, bro. Oh, I need to upgrade. I ain't got that money. Nope, not me, babe. Not me. You trade top stats, Larry, or you got it like you use it for real, for real. I think Larry trade his personal account. If if I remember correct. You don't use no preference. E. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, man. Uh, We're gonna make another call here. I want to see Bitcoin at 50K. We're gonna clip that in, Zay. Bitcoin 50K. Bitcoin by summer 2026.
Ooh, I
Okay.
like it. Summer 2026, 50K.
Bitcoin 50K, baby.
Let's get it.
All right. Let's go.
Where we at right now?
We at 69,
69,
800.
almost 70. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We need this little flush.
One last flush.
One last flush for the city.
I ain't mad at it.
Yeah.
I ain't mad at it.
Mm-hmm.
Ah. I will say this, man, with the market though, bruh, this whole the way we've been selling it's so methodical, bruh. It really is it's like it's giving me like really, really big unwind vibes where like I ain't saying it's like a major top, but you could just tell that there is some massive, or at least in my opinion, it seems like it's some massive unwinding, unloading where they're taking their time to sell out of these positions. That's the reason why it's so well, yeah, I guess you could say choppy, but that's the reason why it's not like we getting them big whooshes, right? Or because what they doing, if you notice, is they're gapping it down, buying it up, 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 right? And so it's they really trapping momentum traders where
Mm-hmm.
really want to get that one big flush and then you just buy back up and you run back up. It's almost like they taking the stair step down.
Yeah.
It ain't.
Yeah.
It's not the elevator approach. And when you get that stair step down, by the time you finally do get that elevator, bruh,
Really.
it's it ain't this the elevator to hell.
Yeah, it's too late.
It ain't no recovering from this one, boy.
Engine going.
Yeah.
Yeah. 40K, Larry, on BTC. I like it. Okay.
Yeah, he said he'll raise you BTC to 40. Ooh, y'all
Yeah.
talking spicy. Jeez Louise.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Y'all talking spicy, bruh.
Yeah, Zay. Yeah.
I want to see how June contract open up next week before rollover. Oh man, you are right too, Captain Hurt.
Yeah.
Next week is
300
quad
contract.
witching, so we do got contract rollover next week. Damn, I ain't
Oh
even think about
shit.
that.
Oh my god. Why
What?
would you bring it back to the last times, previous years?
He
300%.
said, look at the daily bear flag. Yeah, it's
I got
definitely
you.
it's flagging
Yeah.
ugly. I ain't going front. Mm. Pull up
Yeah. Right
wait,
here.
that's BTC.
Yeah. This is BTC. Right
Mm.
here. So if I go to a 3 month chart, Larry, I like these wicks right here. This 3 quarterly chart. So we came. I wanted to come back in again. So I say 50K, but yeah, you can. I got target 44, 47s, even flat 40K. So yeah, I ain't mad at it. Like this shit look like rollover city right here. So Yep. Mm. And also, man, I did it. Okay. We're
We
gonna do
Quadree, we did manage to take the
Yeah, all right.
that 3 o'clock high. When the hell
Man,
did we take it? I wasn't even paying attention.
I watched it, but I was trying to go short, but
Yeah,
I'm
I
like,
would have went short too. When the fuck did we take it? It looks like we took it at this is 2015, so that's 8:15. Alright. We in the last 15 minutes, so I'm gonna wait for this 9 o'clock switch over. But
Yep. Smart boy. Let's go. Yes, sir.
yeah, man, I don't really like taking trades the last 15 minutes because that little last 15 minutes they be on that BS, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so before we leave, guys, I'm gonna do some.
Yeah, go ahead, you got it, bro.
So I did some work.
God, we got to cook, boy.
I did some work on NQ 2 weeks ago, right? Say 2-3 weeks ago.
You talking about the under March joint?
Yeah. So I have it here, right here, marked. So I marked this on the day I did it, and I went back to 2018. Right, I didn't go more further down because for what I needed to.
Right.
I did what I needed to. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and I did this on NDX. So I use this as a proxy and Q, but NDX got more data since it's a cash account. And what I found was every time that March, the month of March begins under the previous month 50%, less February 50%,
Mm-hmm.
we get more downside. So if I go to NDX, let me go to NDX. NDX. Nah, it's not gonna be this chart. Let me see if I. Okay. No, I don't have it here, so it's gonna have to be NQ. Has to be MNQ. Okay. So 2018, March began about the 50, so new high. We go to 2019. 2019, we gonna do it together. So 2019, we're gonna get March, February, home month. So March, and that looks right. March began above the 50 of March range. We push higher. 2020, we go to February. To right there, February's range. This wick is in play. We began March under that 50% of the range. New lows.
Yep.
2021. We go to 2021. February. Right here, first week.
Mm-hmm.
That range. All the way to this wick. March began. Right at that 50. New lows.
Please go.
2021. 2022. March began under that 50. This is tricky. It went down, right? So if
Mm-hmm.
I go to February, right there, March began,
Yep.
right here, under that 50.
Mm-hmm.
It tests, it messed with your patient. It got a little bit of the 50, but then whoop, bird
Right.
market, bird market.
Mm-hmm.
And now 2023, same thing. Same 2023 was right here. We began March
Just like we.
2023. Right there. Yep. We began under that 50. We still got new lows. Barely, but we got new lows.
Yep.
Right there. Right there and higher. So this one is 2025. We began March below that 50. We test that 50 and drop it like it's hot. April was the low of the year. Boom. Now we right here, guys. This is the magic of. So out of this last 8 years,
Mm-hmm.
six went down, right?
Yep.
It's four year under. We were lower, and 2 year we're positive. Went higher, and
How we
now
stacking up? Yeah, I was saying how we
this
stack up.
year, this year. Let me hide these indicators. We began March under the 50, and we right here right now fighting it. We got the low though, so this is what I want to say. We got that this low. I count as because it is a low. We got that
Mm-hmm.
low, and we close. Now we right here. We didn't touch the 50 yet again. Not yet. It's that number is 24, 25, 294.50.
Okay.
We get up here. I'm gonna be very interesting to see what happened here. If we do
Test your patience a little
pick
bit.
pace my patient bit, so the freaking rip. And then we get talk about April. Then in April I can see the low forming, and then like I got it. Time to look. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get here, guys. It's just because here there's like a value imbalance on the monthly. I think it is
Mm-hmm.
right here. Yeah, so I got it there just in case we get excited to go there. But yeah, I do feel like we could go play with this 25, 294.50 and keep going lower.
See what happens.
If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I see the low. So this low right here
Yeah, you
is
cautious of the low, so it's like it's a
I'm yeah.
yeah.
So that low is important, right? I'm not discounting it. I just want to see more pain. That's me, guys. But if it is, it is. I respect. If we get above 294.50 and we start pushing, I won't be surprised because this is told me, okay, you got the load you wanted based on your study. You got it,
Right.
but it wasn't convincing, but it's still a low. So
Mm-hmm.
that's it. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm mindful here.
Major,
We're gonna watch it together.
major.
What's up?
That's gonna be Dre. That's about to be another clip right there, bro.
Yeah. We wanna watch it together, and you guys gonna make me accountable. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it wrong. We're gonna roll with it. That's it. Yep.
We about to have a that's about to be another clip moment right there, bro. That's about to be
Yeah.
another
So
clip moment. Watch. We're gonna come back, say around April, Mayish, and see what happened with it.
see where we at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Larry said, "I want 23,106 by summer."
Oof.
Ooh,
I like that.
Ooh, I like it. I like it. I
spicy.
like it.
I like it.
He said,
23
"ES,
one. Yep.
ES Petty not running previous quarter low." I don't know, man. Listen, here's the thing that I'm gonna say,
Hmm.
and I'm gonna keep, and I keep running. I'm sticking to this one. This just like you said, Drace. This is where we're gonna end it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Please remember, year two, quarter two of a presidential cycle is the worst quarter of all.
Mm.
So we haven't even gotten to the worst quarter yet. So nothing is out of question until midterms.
Mm.
Once we get to midterms, that's when the probabilities of from midterms to that following June ain't never had a green period. I mean, it ain't never had a red period.
Mm-hmm.
Always is green. So
Mm-hmm.
until then, anything and everything is possible. I ain't discounting nothing. I'm following price first, and I'm
Yes.
following the price of the tools that I have, and I'm sticking to that because it served me well all this year.
That,
So
hey.
with that being said, we have not had the worst quarter yet.
Not at all.
And and another stat. This one's courtesy of Quadree too. The average drawdown during the midterm is 15 to 17%.
Yep.
We ain't nowhere near that either.
You talking about
Yeah.
40? Talking about 5,600, 5,500? No, wait, I'm
Yeah,
tweaking. No, 5,800, I think.
yeah, like 5,800, something like that. So, that second
Oh,
quarter could be pretty interesting. Don't let this Iran war linger longer than,
hmm.
if this shit go into Q2, yeah, bro. It's a lot of people gonna have to reassess some shit.
Yeah. Just because he
Cause
pays over don't mean it's over. They can do what they want.
right, he keeps saying it's over, but Iran until it come from Iran, man. These dudes they talk so they talk out of both sides of their mouth. 1 minute Trump saying something, then his Secretary of War saying something, then Bassett saying something. It's like these cats is not on one accord. So
Mhm.
I say all that to say I'm sticking to the data and the stats, which is average midterm year drawdown 15%. The worst quarter is year two, quarter two, and
Mhm.
then the positive period doesn't really kick off till post midterms.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
So,
I'm sure he is. By the way.
are you sure? Right
Yep.
at 9 o'clock. Let's get it.
Hopefully, don't.
Get it.
Yep.
All right. With that being said, fellas, y'all got anything before we roll?
Like Larry say, play what you see. Trade what you see, Replace
Yep.
price and trade what you see.
Yep.
Yeah.
I agree. It's my thing is just be prepared. And I ain't none of all that information I gave. That's not predictions. That's preparation.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah,
Yo.
still trade what you see, but be prepared for what's to come.
Yep. Be alert, man. News headlines, tweets, anything could derail this, man. If you
Facts.
stay true to what you know.
Yeah.
Yep.
100%.
Yep. Well, all right, family. That wraps up tonight's show. We'll be back tomorrow, 7:30. 7:30. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll see how CPI go. Wrap up the week. And with that being said, man, y'all have a good evening. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace out.
See ya.
Dose.